Okay, so now we're going to explain in details exactly what you're seeing on the screen, and we want to show you one movement that price always do over and over again, and this is always do on any time frames you go. You see, in the last lesson we told you how we develop this strategy, okay? But now on the 1 hour we drew our line, as you saw it in the last lesson, and I told you you can go to the daily and also draw those lines. Those lines are very important, these big lines. That means when it was going down, the top it left behind. They are very, very important. Okay, so now I will take you through a pattern that I want to show you that this thing price does. It does it every time. Okay, this been a big downtrend coming from maybe the daily, based on this line, based on this trend line architect, nql5.com, free stop. You can see there is a free stop. Okay, now this is a down leg. This thing happens over and over again. Okay, good. Now what you see here, look at this trend line. Trend line broken from somewhere, but price went to do retest of trend line. Now we have trend lines here, we have trend line here. The top, it was leaving behind while it was going down. Now look, what will price do? Before this line was drawn here, we knew that price will break this trend line, come back to retest. Okay, then it will do another 100 pips drop between this line and this line. It's almost 100 pips, but look at the moves. 100 pips drop. Okay, then this was the previous, this was the low of that time, which became top of now. Now this happens to be another line, okay, following the same principle, that price will break this line, retest. Okay, price broke this line, retest, and we know price will do a 100 pips move down. This is it. Do you see? Now, to go by this, price does this thing every time over and over again, which I think you can see the vision and the clear thing in the Forex market, that traders trade Forex in different ways, because we see it in different ways. Now if I put a line here, because following this principle that price will break this line, retest, and do 100 pips down. Okay, now let me set it so you will see. You see, the secret of this type of strategy is that price will go your way and give you your profit, but you will not be sell breakout 1 or breakout 2 either. Okay, you will not be greedy, sell breakout 2. All right, you will not be greedy. We have do we have it, the properties to sell breakout 2? I don't know why it's not showing. Okay, it's showing sell breakout 2. It's showing that is the line to sell breakout 2. Remember, I talked about one EA, which is a trend line EA. I don't really want to bring it out now. Okay, a trend line EA, which we use to automate all this line. Okay, you remember in the last lesson, if you have jumped, You have to go back and watch the last lesson. Trend line EA, okay, is the one that will always open these trades for you based on this trend line. Okay, I don't want to bring it out now because of different kind of settings. Now we say, okay, since we know this, break, retest, drop. Now we are expecting this. Okay, although it's not gonna break now, maybe it's gonna go and do some, create the high of the day somewhere. It will create the high of the day somewhere here, maybe here. Okay, here. Hey, what's up? This is your main man from the Forex Strategy Factory, man, bringing it to you once again. This big strategy that will blow your mind away. This is gonna shock you, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because I know a lot of people have problem in Forex. You understand? And this is the reason why I keep making strategy. You know, I found some people who have found their own good strategy from the strategy I've been making all this while. The Lord have told me, thank you so much, bro, for sharing those things. You know.
How to open and close a trade for a lot of you newbies out there. Let me show you. Once you have your MetaTrader opened and you're actually logged in, you can do one of a couple of things. There is a button here called New Order. You can either click that, or you can click anywhere, right click anywhere on your screen, and you can go to Trading and New Order. Or there is a shortcut key called F9. If you press that on your keyboard, this box will pop up. You can, by default, you're selected on the same currency that you're looking at, or you can choose any other ones that you like. You choose your lot size. If you want to add in a stop loss or take profit, you can do that as well. And instant execution is if you wanted to open the trade immediately. Pending order is something where you can set your order that if a certain price is touched, then your order gets executed. So instant execution is usually the one that a lot of people go with for opening a trade immediately. And you can choose to sell or buy. Okay, let's, for example, I clicked on buy right now. Now, once you click on buy, there's a button up here called terminal. You can click on terminal. If you do not have this button, you can go to Windows. You can go to View and you will see terminal, or you can press Control T on your keyboard. Once you see terminal, on the bottom left, you will see the button called Trade. You will see your trade running right now, and if you would like to close it, just click on your symbol one time, right click, and there is a button that says Close Order. If I click Close Order, closes the order right away. And you can see in the account history, we can go to custom period for today, and you will see that today's order that we had closed for $21 of profit is right there. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. I will create videos on stop loss and
mathematically based trading tools. Traders and market analysts can use these tools in an attempt to determine the most likely future price evolution. Historical data and statistical models can also be used in developing different trading strategies. All indicators have in common the fact that they are constructed using past data. They are not designed to predict future prices. Indicators can offer information about trend, volatility, momentum or other relevant market aspects. Usually they offer one-dimensional data about past prices. Trend indicators are moving averages, MACD, parabolic stop and reverse. Momentum indicators are stochastic, commodity channel index, relative strength index. Volatility indicators are Bollinger Bands, average true range. No indicator can be a trading strategy by itself. A strategy is the definitive set of rules that specifies the exact conditions under which trades are to be established, managed or closed within a rigid framework. A strategy can include none, one, or more than one indicators. Typically, a strategy includes both trade filters and triggers, often based on indicators. Trade filters identify the setup conditions. Trade triggers identify exactly when a particular action should be taken. A trade filter might be the price crossing over a moving average. This sets the stage for the trade trigger, which is the actual condition that prompts action. The trade trigger might be the price getting beyond the farthest point reached after that crossing. A strategy should employ different types of indicators to gauge as much objective information about the market as necessary. To see more, please subscribe, give us a thumb up and share our clips.
It will break, it will retest, and then it will drop 100 pips. And when it's retesting, it's gonna come touch. After dropping, it's coming to start from here. Look. Drop, retest, line, down. Can go on. Press and see how those things are falling, how they rhyme together, starting from here. Drop, starting from here. Look, drop, stay, starting from the touch. This touch for friendly access. So this friendly access here will be the start of your trade from this point. Where friendly access touches line that start of your trade. See how friendly access came. Because from friendly access, that is where between back touch of friendly access. You see? Now, if you want to take the breakout, okay, let's say you want to take the test, here is test. You shall do it after this line has been broken. Okay, there will be testing that will at this point of friendly access, start of the trade. Okay, you want to capture that. Okay, you want to capture that. Go in here, the back, because you want to buy down. That's the set. It's going to end at the point of friendly access. Trendline EA, MQL5.com. Okay, when you put it here, the way I did it in my last video, last lesson, that's when you can result to trend. because trend line architect is going down. Now the price will do this: break, retest, which is the touch, and 100 drop. You see, break, retest, 100 drop. Okay, I will not want to mention pattern 1 to 3 moves or whatever, but this thing rides and this thing price repeated every time. Now let's go to the 15 minute, the time frame of 15 minutes. Let's go and see. This is the line you put there to say, okay, touch and sell. Okay, this is the line that were broken. Break, and this is why a lot of traders will never make nothing. Ability to make something in the forex market is about what you know and the ability to make a daily plan of what is the lot size that you want to use to achieve your daily goal. Look at your account and look at, if I use this lot size and the price go against me 50 times, if it's not gonna blow my account, then that is a good decision. Hello, look at one lot, buy, I buy one lot. It's not I never make profit, but I was not even there when these profits were happening. Okay, it went against me. It went against me. From the top of the chart to the bottom of the chart, it went against me because I'm not there. Okay, but look, it didn't blow my account. Why? Because of the planned lot size. Am I worried? No. Why? Because I've seen the bigger picture of this chart, that this thing is going up in the long run after a big down moves. Can you see that down move? The big down move started from somewhere over there. Can you see? It's a big down move. Okay? It's a big down move which has been always rejected from this zone right here. Okay? So it's been rejected from this zone right here. Look, left. Rejection. All about rejection. And you see, I want to tell you something. When you see on a chart, the market have made a circle from starting somewhere from the left and then came back to that zone. Look the right, look right. It's a big circle. From that left to the right is a big circle, giving you a big M shape. Is a godly. Man, look your right. The one at the right, this one, this leg is a leg that will go up. Because the bigger picture, a godly has been complete. From the left, this leg, it has gone like this. It has gone and made a circle, came back to where it started. This is where it started. Now it will start going up to make another circle. A godly is complete. We are expecting the price to start going up. So the reason why people don't make nothing in Forex, go plan your better lot size. If price goes 100% against you, will your account still be alive? Trade a plan in a way that you can trade tomorrow and next. The market remains, but traders will vanish. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Hello traders, and welcome to my channel Golden Forex Capital. Today in this trading system I will show you a high accuracy 100 pips momentum system with stochastic trend filter. This is a very simple and profitable Forex trading style. It is one of the simplest Forex trading systems that provides best of both trend and momentum. The best time frames to use it are 1 hour, 4 hours and daily charts. The best currency pairs are Euro dollar, Pound dollar, Dollar Canadian, Australia dollar and Dollar yen. So how you can use it and what are the buy rules and sell rules? For the buy rules you need 1. Non-lag moving average indicator blue color line. 2. 100 pips momentum oracle move green color line upward above the red line. 3. Super stochastic trend bullish the red line upward above the green line. The sell rules are: 1. Non-lag moving average indicator red color line. 2. 100 pips momentum oracle move green color line down below the red line. 3. Super stochastic trend bearish the red line down below the green line. If you discipline with the trading rules, this Forex 100 pips momentum trading with stochastic trend filter is an extremely high accuracy trading system. Use a demo account or a small live account first to practice this trading system.
Yeah, what's up, man? What's up, everybody? This is your main man from the Forex Strategy Factory, bringing you again another new topic. Today, what we're gonna do is just we're gonna advise ourselves as a trader. We just gonna keep talking. The reason why a lot of traders actually end up making nothing in the Forex market. This thing happens to a lot of us when we started new, the Forex, or actually a lot of us came in with the wrong mindset. Okay, when I say the wrong mindset, like maybe we saw a kind of display of somebody showing off on the internet or whatever, flashing money, okay, I've made a good lifestyle on Forex, this and that. Yeah, Forex lifestyle is good, it's a business, you understand, but I'm not saying that's not normal. Okay, but a lot of beginner traders, we come into the Forex based on that, and they come in with the wrong mindset that, okay, most will always have a small amount of money in their account, right? Most I've seen is some people having like $10, or they put $10 in the account and they want to go in within a month. Okay, they want to become a kind of millionaire within a month. Now, it's a wrong mindset totally. It doesn't take anybody anywhere. You understand? Now, a lot of people too, they come in with a couple of $500, and what they come to do is that they will end up coming to take a big leverage, over leverage. With $500, they wanna be a financial free or a millionaire within the next 1 month, and you will see a lot of them, big lot, big leverage, consuming big margin, and maybe holding it for a few minutes of the day, and only small candlesticks will clear that account for them. And if they holding it for weeks, and the broker will charge a big swap on them, you know what I mean? Now, the case of those who do that kind of stuff with big account like $500 and taking a big lot size, when the market is oscillating, like maybe the market is like fluctuating, like maybe in the situation of consolidating, all right? Now the market is not moving, it's flat, and the market is not moving, and they're charging a big swap on them, and that swap is clearing their account away. You see? Now, because a lot of traders are beginners and they come in with the wrong mindset, and they don't even know what the market is doing or how the market is moving. Okay, I want to say this, that the best thing that can make a trader to be successful in Forex trading is the ability to set a goal, a good goal, a goal that can be achieved, a daily goal that can be achieved day by day by day. You see, that's okay. When you set a goal that you can achieve day by day by day, and you achieve your goal day after day after day, it accumulates and it gets you to that point where you want to get, even if you have taken that big lot and blow your account away. When you plan your goal on a daily basis and you follow in those goals, those small lot size you're picking up will accumulate. I've seen someone who looked in my account the way I trade, and he asked me, oh, because he expects me to be taking a big lot size like 25, 30, 50 lot. That's what they expect me to be doing. But when they see my account the way I do, as you can see, you see some, when I open 0.05, you see some at one lot. You see, they say, oh, they look at me as if I'm not a good trader, or maybe I don't know what I'm doing. But when I say, look, I'm an experienced trader of 13 years. I've seen a lot. Those big lot doesn't take you anywhere. They might give you something at the beginning, but when you continue doing that, the next your account is blown. You understand? Now let's talk about this. The reality of the Forex market. How does it move? If you don't know, I want you to open your eyes right now and see what is going on, because I want to expose something to you. If you don't know this, you ain't going nowhere. If you don't know this, you should not take big lot. If you don't know this and your eyes cannot spot it, forget about big lot. You are not going to be taking big lot, risking your account when you don't even know what the market is doing. When you know what the market is doing, okay, wait please, wait. So, it is at that time when you know what you're doing, that is when you can sit down and then plan a good lot size and use it to follow what you know, to follow your strategy, to follow what you know. And what you know is determined by what you see in front of you. Okay? Because if you know something and you see it, you can identify it, then quickly you can adapt to it. Example, look at the market going up. We know that this thing is going up right from here. Okay? Right from here, it's going up, trending up. Okay, we know that whatever is going up is going to come down. Okay, so what will I do as a trader? To me, maybe I'm not even going to jump in while it's going up. I'm going to go wait for it while it's going to go down. And how do I know it's going to go down? When is the time? Look, there's some things I want to see. Let me see a double top. When I see this thing, look at this double top and the big spike. Look, this one will go down. Okay? It's gonna go down. Shut down. It's not because I'm looking at it on my screen. That's why I'm talking. No, I know this before I start talking about it. While it's going down, it will get somewhere and start going up. Where will it get? Where it started from. That is where it's going. Boom. Look left. These moves that came down to end here, while it was going up, it started from here. Look left. Alright. Now, let's go again. Whatever comes down, it's gonna go up. This is a double bottom, which shows the end of this move. A double bottom shows the end of this move. Coming all the way from here with a double bottom, this move is finished. It will go up. This is why it shoot up. Now look, shoot up, going up. We know it's going to go down. What do I want to see? A double top. Boom, a top. Spiking top. Double top. Look, double top. Shooting down. Double top. Shooting down. Okay? Look, double top. Shooting down. Alright? Now look. here. Now you can see that. It is not because of what I see on my screen that's making me talk. That I know this before I started talking. I want to show you something. Look at this thing. This move has started all the way from here. Or let's say the bigger picture all the way from here. Or let's say the bigger picture all the way from here. Now, what's going to happen? It end up here doing all this consolidation stuff like this. The final result of this move with this double bottom, triple bottom, or this shoulder, 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 and head inverted. Well, the end result of this move is it is going up. Now look, when you see something spike up to the top of a chart, it seems like a support resistance zone. This shoot down, boom. And when you see something bottom of a chart, my God, it's like a support. Is there any support here? Look left. The big move, where did this start from? We're gonna see something now. There's something around here that I'm seeing. If you look at the left side of this screen, man, can you see something? Can you see price turning around from this zone? Can you see price turning around? Retest, touch, break, retest, touch, and then boom, 100 pips. See, price was coming. Break, retest, touch, boom, your trade activates 100 pips. Do you see? So this line now is here because we are expecting the next break, retest, touch, and drop 100 pips. Now look what happened with this one. Anytime the price is touching this line, a sell trade will always happen. And anytime price touch this, price drop 100 pips. You see? Touch 100 pips. When it breaks, it only breaks and struggles to go and touch. Okay? When it breaks and struggles to go and touch. And when it touch, boom, 100 pips. When it breaks, it struggles to go and touch. When it touch, boom, 100 pips. Do you see this? So, I hope this lesson makes a big meaning to you, because this is something that is going to make your life a changing one. All those losing in the Forex market, where you see somebody has put a trade in the night, is gone to sleep, the price has turned around and gone against you, that you have overcome that. With this strategy I just show you right now, and if you do things the way I say you should do it, look, just put these trend lines on your chart exactly the way I explain it, and just go and sleep. Calculate your lot size. Your take profit must be 100 pips. That is it. Because you are catching a good entry with these trend lines, you are catching good entries. That's why your take profit must be 100 pips to maximize and take advantage of these big legs. Okay? You have automated the system. Only touch alone. Only if you put your trend line here alone. And the touch has come and dropped 100 pips. You made 100 pips. This one touch and come and make another 100 pips. You make 200 pips. Okay? So you have automated the system. Okay? And this one is going down, right? It's going down, right? It's going down, right? Okay? If you want to do it again, because one day you understand that, okay, this thing is going to break. It's going to break someday, okay? You can do this thing again. You can do this. Because you understand. You can put one more line around here. You can change the color to a blue or a white. You can say, okay, you want to do this one to be buy breakout. Okay, because one day it will change to a buy breakout 3. You can change it anyhow. Buy breakout 3. Now see, you have done it. So buy breakout. So this one is there, waiting for the day the trend will change, and it will. When it begins to do anything now, it will just help you to buy. Okay? So, but let's take it little by little. Little by little, I'll be explaining and talking more videos. You know. So this video now will come to an end. This is where we stop.
Mathematically based trading tools. Traders and market analysts can use these tools in an attempt to determine the most likely future price evolution. Historical data and statistical models can also be used in developing different trading strategies. All indicators have in common the fact that they are constructed using past data. They are not designed to predict future prices. Indicators can offer information about trend, volatility, momentum or other relevant market aspects. Usually they offer one-dimensional data about past prices. Trend indicators are moving averages, MACD, parabolic stop and reverse. Momentum indicators are stochastic, commodity channel index, relative strength index. Volatility indicators are Bollinger Bands, average true range. No indicator can be a trading strategy by itself. A strategy is the definitive set of rules that specifies the exact conditions under which trades are to be established, managed or closed within a rigid framework. A strategy can include none, one, or more than one indicators. Typically, a strategy includes both trade filters and triggers, often based on indicators. Trade filters identify the setup conditions. Trade triggers identify exactly when a particular action should be taken. A trade filter might be the price crossing over a moving average. This sets the stage for the trade trigger, which is the actual condition that prompts action. The trade trigger might be the price getting beyond the farthest point reached after that crossing. A strategy should employ different types of indicators to gauge as much objective information about the market as necessary. To see more, please subscribe, give us a thumb up and share our clips.
Though on a big day, every day, no need to think too much. Just come and do this same thing every day in the morning when you wake up. This is cash compound. That's all. Me, I don't know how you can get this cash compound, but I got a link for the description below. But if I don't have the link, I'll tell you that click the description below. There's a free gift. You can opt in. And when you opt in, have the link where that is gonna take you. It's gonna take you. Then you will get this cash company. Make any sense. Because at home. $1 million dollar profit sheet. But also, my strategies are based on something that generates profit. It's not about the indicator I'm there. Like I said, long time ago I bought this cash company. I don't know how to use it. There's no knowledge, there's no teaching, there's no knowledge. I never got to know because the profit that cash company generating real but then I never know how to do it. I thought it's only going to generate that dough for me without me doing nothing, but because it's not generating nothing, I just dumped it somewhere like not doing what he said. You know, boys, I just knowledge, man. You know, I just can't imagine putting them together and apply them to my practice. You will apply them to practice, not to so look at what you know, man, because I'm going to get the cash company. Support me, man. It's what you want. You're going to take it somewhere, get it. Take care. This video, if you like this, thumbs up, share this video because it's going to be like the best video out there. Bye-bye.